ब्लू इकोनॉमी पाकिस्तान की मईशत के लिए गेम चेंजर साबित होगी। वजीर खजाना मोहम्मद औरंगजेब ने कहा है कि हुकूमत मईशत में बुनियादी इस्लाहत के एजेंडे पर अमल पैरा है ताकि मुल्क को पायदार तरक्की की राह पर गामजिन किया जा सके।
5% of the national GDP, which equates to roughly $1 billion. Now, the way we have our ambition of how we are going to translate our overall economy, inshallah, which is currently, the overall GDP is about $412 billion, and can we move it to a $3 trillion economy by the time Pakistan gets to be 100 in 2047, and can we get to the $3 trillion number, which is the real potential of Pakistan. It's a similar thing, and it's very heartening and encouraging to see that the Ministry of Maritime Affairs has also put a marker in the ground, which is ambitious but very reachable. This $1 billion getting to $100 billion, I guess we have a pretty modest